Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some trainers from designer label Kurt Geiger. If you're a regular subscriber, you know I do a lot of vlogs on my football team, Wolverhampton Wanderers, but I also intersperse them with some lifestyle and some fashion vlogs. Kurt Geiger are obviously famous for doing their lots of designer stuff, especially for ladies and handbags and stuff like that, but they also do men's stuff as well. And I do like my footwear, so basically I wanted to do this for all the guys that follow my channel. I do like lifestyle vlogs as well as my Wolves stuff, and try and do a few fashion things that you may not have thought about getting. And also, if you're a lady, it gives you an idea as well of what to get for your guys and your partners. So been looking for some nice white trainers, but with something with a little bit of difference. And I've seen different things and stuff like that, and I saw these online and I decided to order them, and I've ordered another pair of slightly different footwear trainers as well from them, and I've got them here. And they've come in the Kurt Geiger wrappings, and I don't know what order they're going to be coming out in, but this, and I will try them on, but this is the first box that we've got here. Looks nice, doesn't it, straight off? So we're going to open the box. Hopefully you can see this. Right, so these aren't the white ones, these are SELHURST, and they're a little bit different to what anything else I've got, but they are something that I really kind of like. They're in a wine colour, and I'm going to get them out for you to have a look, see what you think. So these. They're kind of platform. That's how they look like from the front, and you can see that it's got a velvety feel here, very nice texture, and then it's nice and shiny. So obviously more of a going out thing. Now they look as if they actually lace up, and they do, but actually you take them on and off by the zips here. They come nicely packed as well. So I'll try these on for you. There's my little dangly legs. And these are the trainers on. And they feel really comfortable. So the white ones that I was talking about, they will be in this box, and they are the DONNIE Rainbow. And let's open these. I say I've been looking for some white ones for ages. And there's the packing, as you can see. And let's just get the one out to start with. Here we go, just put that to the side. As you can see, they're very white and very nice. They do come nicely packed, as you can see, so they don't think. Now, what you'll see when I stand up is that is on the outside on this trainer, but on this trainer it's on the inside, and that's on the outside. So the reason this is good, when you're walking along like that, one way it's like that, and when you're walking along the other way it's like that. It's pretty cool, yeah? So I quite like that. And again, they're kind of like a platform. They're quite strong, but they are really comfortable. I've tried these on. If you look at the back, it's got the gold embossing. I don't know if you can see how well you can see that. Yeah, it's really nice. As I say, I've been looking for some trainers for ages, some white ones, and these are my babies. Now these are 129 quid, the other ones are 119 pounds. I will put a link in the description box below. They're fairly new out actually, so go and have a look and check them out online, and maybe some of you will get them. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that, it's just literally me finding something that I like and I'm going to wear out. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. It's something a little bit different to what I normally do, but I try to add a little bit of value. So guys out there, if you've liked the video, like the suggestions, smash a like on the video, leave your comments. What sort of stuff do you like and wear yourself? Are there any types of things that you'd like me to try out? Girls, if you think this is a good idea for your guys, drop a line as well. But yeah, so hopefully you've enjoyed it and I haven't rambled on too much, and smash a like on the video, and if you are brand new here, please subscribe for more content coming up. I've got some news about my channel coming up soon as well. Fantastic.